Hi guys, welcome to London. Today is a little bit special because we are celebrating my birthday, and for lunch we've come to one of London's most talked about Indian restaurants, Amaya. Located in Belgravia, Amaya is known for its Michelin-starred approach to Indian grilling, with dishes cooked across tandoors, charcoal grills in an open kitchen setting right in front of you. So let's check it out. Hi, I'm Pooja from Color Me in Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to London. Today we are in Knightsbridge and we are off to eat at Amaya. So come with us. We're just walking around trying to find the restaurant. It's a nice lovely day. Let me show you around. So if you remember, this was the very street where we did the Easter egg hunt last year. You can check out that video separately. But yeah, it's such a nice day. So we've taken a turn near Gina and this lovely place. Looks nice, guys. So right next to Zafrano and this other one, the lowdowns, you go in here. And this is Amaya. Hello. Hi, hello. So we made a reservation about a week ago, and as soon as you walk in, the first thing you notice is the open kitchen right in front of you, and it's not that busy for lunchtime, so it felt like we had the whole restaurant to ourselves, which was great. By evening, this place is completely buzzing, so reservations are highly recommended, especially for dinner. They were accepting walk-ins as well at lunch. Now let's look at the drinks menu because they had some really good options. The wine list was impressive and some of their signature cocktails were top class. And I had their signature martini, and oh my god, it was the best I've ever had. My husband went for a very nice salted lassi, and here's me trying my martini, and I think the froth was so beautiful and the whole taste of this martini was top tier. Amaya is quite famous for their cocktails. I've heard raving reviews for their cocktails and the food, so I was super excited. Now this is the menu. Please pause to read again if you wanted to check it out, but it's quite an interesting blend. So one thing I really like about Amaya is the style of dining. Instead of ordering a starter, a main course, the menu is built around sharing plates, pretty much tapas style. So you can try loads of different things. So guys, welcome to Amaya. We have looked at the menu. It was so many good options, so it was really confusing, but we have decided to go for a platter to share between us both, and we have also gone for 2 different starters that we wanted to try. I'm going to show you in a minute when they arrive, and it's really nice, great, hardly anybody here in the lunchtime. As you can see, really cute. The place is really vibrant and beautiful, and the drinks are absolutely incredible. Just look at this. Oh my god, that's incredible. So this is our platter. When the food arrives, they explain it all to you.
And a dash of pepper on the top as well. There's going to be a tandoori broccoli, comes along with the sweet ginger yogurt at the bottom, some bell pepper sauce on the top, and some potato crisp on the top as well. It's going to be your yellow dal tadka. This one is going to be your beef soup tawa kebab, which is made on the griddle right there at the bottom. Okay. And it also comes along stuffed with some pine nuts inside as a stuffing and some mustard cheese on the top as a dressing. This is going to be your chili paneer, which is infused with some date and sesame. That's your black pepper chicken tikka, the one my colleague was talking about.
Yes, yeah.
And that's the breast of a chicken, which is marinated with some yogurt and a dash of pepper as well.
Okay.
And finally, we have your charcoal fillet of sea bass, which comes along with the ginger and coconut marinade on the top, some tomato salsa on the side, and your peanut on the side as well.
Oh, thank you very much. Looks brilliant.
Thank you.
So biryani, on the base you have all the chicken is marinated with these leaves, wild garlic, you see has a very green color. Okay?
I'm gonna try the broccoli first. It's really nice. You can taste the charcoal flavors and the potato on top. Wow, that's really crispy and nice. Guys, the sea bass, it is absolutely insane. There's coconut in it. I've never tasted anything like it. Oh my god, it's brilliant. I think this might be my favorite restaurant, guys. It's getting there. We also had some chicken lollipops and some saffron chicken seekh kebabs, which were really nice. Now this is the dessert menu. Really different and unique desserts available here. Really nice twist to the Indian cuisine. Fantastic approach. Hey guys, so we're still here and waiting for our dessert. Now I've ordered some Gulab Jamun, and my husband's ordered some mango with Malai Kulfi. So really excited to see what that's going to be like. I think it's coming.
With some vanilla ice cream in the center and the pistachio crumble on the top as well. And that's your Gulab Jamun Mille.
Oh wow!
Yep.
There's 2 of them.
Yes.
Oh my god! Oh, thank you very much.
Happy birthday, come on. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me. A Gulab Jamun with ice cream. I'm gonna eat that. Stunning. Guys, I shouldn't have ordered that. That looks so delicious, guys. Oh my god. And this is my Gulab Jamun, which was my happy birthday treat. And this here was probably the most interesting dessert of the evening. So downstairs, Amaya have got a private dining room which can seat up to 14 people. And it's perfect for lunch or any kind of business meetings or a small gathering. A set menu here starts from about £55 per person, going up to $115 per person. Overall, Amaya is a great place to eat, and you can tell by the level of service why they have a Michelin star. When it comes to the food, everything was perfectly cooked with lovely charred finish that adds so much flavor without overpowering the ingredients. What I enjoyed the most was that every dish felt distinct and quite unique. Nothing tasted repetitive, and each plate brought something different to the table, and none of the dishes were weak. I had a fantastic birthday meal here, and I'm already thinking about coming back. If you've visited Amaya before, let me know your favorite dish in the comments below so I can try them next time. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more food, travel, lifestyle adventures on Color Me in Style. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.